Are you still waiting on a man to do things for you? In 2023? Hold on. You mean to tell me you still waiting for guys to do something for you that you could do for yourself? You still waiting on these guys to do stuff for you? You know you ain't got no friends. You know you need to get this shit done. Why are you not doing it? I don't know about you, but gone are the days where we wait and we ask these guys to do things for us. We just do it our damn selves. Pick up our tools and we freaking put our mind to use and we fucking do the thing. Welcome back to my channel, the channel for loners, where I put you on, because if I don't put you on, who's gonna put you on? And today, we're going to build my standing desk.
Let me tell you this, on the road and me gal don't mix, I'm just alone.
We're gonna assemble my standing desk all by myself. Can a woman do it? Can I do it? I don't know. I've never assembled anything besides that chair. If you haven't seen my last YouTube video where I assembled my office chair, make sure you tune in to that video where we freaking did it. So like I said, we did that last time. We could do it again. So boom, we got the pieces out of the box. I'm already starting to bust a sweat. You see that? Just like in the chair video, we already busting a sweat. We ain't even got the stuff out the plastic. Wow. One thing I want to say is that these are so heavy. So again, we dealing with real heavy material, lots of nuts, bolts, and different parts, so you make sure you keep them together and follow those instructions, ladies. So this is my current office setup. I currently have my computers on top of like a kitchen table, like a dining table. You're actually not even supposed to sit and work on it like this. But yeah, we're gonna switch out the old and bring in the new. There we have it, ladies and gentlemen. The FlexiSpot EC1. This is the electric standing desk. I already have the wires plugged in, so let's give it a go. Let's give it a test run. It took me 5 hours, y'all. But dang, this shit go high. Y'all see how high this is? Oh my gosh. This desk offers easy, fast-functioning, efficient daily use. It's conducive to all heights. My posture has improved. I've been using it for the past month. It was easy to assemble, although it did take me some time. So make sure to follow these instructions.
Let me tell you this, on the road and me gal don't mix, I'm just all round.